Ablay P. Barok Shakatup Khubor Jungi Kedan Bosco Media Network. Kimat Kibakongsan Mentakas Ngikilong. Penram UMLA ke North Shillong Constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum yaka jingpun bethay bom hakandailan. La penlong yaka executive meeting jaka Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 ha Shillong. Yokem ya uba suba pen bethay bom hakandailan bat ya unong sela ya tu menteri ketanat kulit uba lakmen remboy. Ban Ot Khajna ka GHADC ya u sensar wat hadin bala itu ya u sensar kum umarep. Teman-tang ni Paish ki Khubor ki ba khambania. UMLA ke North Shillong Constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum mentakas ngi ula penram jur ya ka jinglet bu bom hakandai lat hinin kasngi dagi riu sniu. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor iba Nongrum ilaong lada kinong pen pathai bom kidon AA banong kidai banyak keren bat ka sorkar emban penlong lang kenya ya ki patba.
Kani ke jingja ka ba susi kalong sisa ka ba hiapan penram. Da borok ki nongsok senong so street makum ini ki kemdei banonja ninum dei ru ban sya bakanja baginum dei ru ban peteng banja na kapor maka penting ke pen smith ke pen songsiir ke pelong panik ki parang nongsok senong berkhamtam ini ki jingja kum ni ki atem bom blast ki ba don ki jakar bla explode kalong ki ba susi buat nyangu yu play kalong ba khamdon ki jingja ka ba snio tangi wei man sim lu khamdon ki ba jak ba snio ba khamtam nyangu ba mening ka si wade ka si sonde ka ba ki khang di babon ki dukan ki khang lembaga order jong DC di Shillong ka jing blessing in disguise mo apoy galia di batkum kani ngasmo bakum nom ikmat la dei high time ngem de ba chu ngap shu ngasmo ban ong yakni ki brio ki badon ti komni ki kam ba don ti komni ki kam per chong sier bakin kenyo ba kala dei ka por ba high time bakin one sanono ka mit ke jekren la ka dei banu kham tam bat sarkar da ka don daw bat ka banu la ki don daw kim dei bakin le ben kim dei bakin pelong skip goat yaki barit barya kham tam ki proprio ki mensim brio nomor kani kalong ki ka ba dei ban pendem penrem da boro nomor kalong ki ka ba sosi kham tam don bok bakhan ja ki ba sniu yaki mensim ki bolu doi mo di bat kani ngasmo bade ban pendem bat ngasmo bakadika ka act of coward jong ni kibrio bakam dei syuk ni ki banja ngasmo bagim dei basu skap baka government kan dei la jong ka benta bat kini kibrio da kidon daw you know kidon daw kidei ban penpau ya ki ka jingkwa ka jong ki ya ki jonong kam jong ki bat ki ka bakidon ka motif sandet nyimtip ti ngasmo ba kani ka jing le ka jong ki dei ban sange sundon bakam dei ban haras lan dei ban create ka fear psychosis ki kibrio bayak bayang ni noksong sinong ki bolulu.
Mentakas ngi la penlong ya ka executive meeting jaga Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 bakentup ya ka Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland bat Sikkim. Habakran bakilat pathai Khubor u speaker ka yeng dorbar thau an ka Meghalaya uba met ba lungdo ulaya thu baka jingalang jongka CPA Zone 3 kanlong ha itanagar Arunachal Pradesh hakatayo ba ar jong uleber mentausnam. Uba met ba lungdo ulaya thu baladon ru ka jingakran hapo jongka North East Regional Institute ki bayadai bat ki jingpule bat ki wei ki jingwat jingtip.
Yeah, the initiative for appointing those research fellows, which is more or less in line with that. But however, I mean, as far as the training is concerned, they are not entrusted with that kind of assignment. That still leaves it with those officials which are from the Lok Sabha who have to do it. And for that matter also we have already initiated that we will be recruiting some of the officers from Lok Sabha, some of them who have retired. They will be taken into account to see that they are also part of this training sessions in Guwahati in this level certainly. But in the next CPA conference, it's open for any discussion, which as I said that before 15th of February, we should send all the subject matters related to the concerned states. No, it's very, very unfortunate and very sad to see that kind of things is happening within the center of the city. It is very, very much condemnable, and this kind of violence will not be tolerated at all, because innocent lives will have to bear, the fruit of all this, kind of activities, which is not acceptable. The new assembly building is concerned. Last week we had a detailed review, and I would like to inform you that by end of June, everything will be completed. Testing and commissioning is 1 month time, say entire month of July, which I see by end of July we can start, we expect all these things. Hopefully this time, this COVID again should not hamper, though to some extent it has been delayed again. We have to review and fixing the date of completion of different items of works in the new assembly building. But I hope and pray that these, COVID again should not hamper the ongoing, construction of the building.
Menteri Ketenat Pulit Ubalak Menrumbui mentagasngi ulaya thua hakilat pathai Khubor bagi pulit kilayo kem ya wei ubre ubahapo kan nyos nam karta badi unong sela jong uha kabayade bat kajing penbetai bom henen kasngi.
The recovery of some bomb unborn is a live bomb, which ultimately diffused by the bomb squad or the police department. And while investigation is on, the police have nabbed also one suspect accomplice of that fellow, and he also been picked up for interrogation to get into the bottom of this case. So, but the first one which have been picked up, he is still below 18 years. So the police have to proceed, taking into consideration also the Justice Tribunal Act, which is prevailed in our country. So I am very hopeful that, as I said before, that the police, through the investigation, they will be able to break this nexus and nab all those who are responsible in this dastardly act or cowardly act of those people. The police have already identified all the vulnerable area within the city and within the state also. Having said that, if you recall that even CCTV in some public places have been installed by the police department, which are very helpful into identify the crime or identify the people who are intending to commit the crime. So it is always there, and this issue is not new. It is the police is already alert, and but having said that, it is not very easy for in the crowded places that for the police, if somebody want to do something pretending. But having said that, technology help, and technology will help. This is the new age investigation, the new age of where the people also try to do something new. So we, as the policemen, we have to be alive to the situation, then investigate, then gathering of intelligence as per the need of the situation.
Wat hadin baka sorkar Meghalaya kala itu ya usensar kum umarab nado usnam 8,000 khat khandai bat lengba kijing penbena ba pher bala penmi daka department kila pelat uni umarab naka bansha shim khajna. Henry ka basngusi kalong baka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council haka kerteng ke transit pass bat ka jingbom itu jangkani ka department ya usensar kum umarab kidang beteng ban krong khajna ya uni umarab. Nakaliang ka Hill Farmers Union Central Body hadin bakalayo ya kanika jing ujor na kibabon kinong rep sensar na Garo Hills kikerpa da ka sorkar bakan kemi kini ki riushim kabu bat ban penbet ya kanika kam kloy kat bala knang ba kani kanumbu jing kinong rep sensar haka jella.
Nakaliang jong ka Hill Farmers Union Central Body ni penpau ya ka jing susi ba sashisin ni yo ya ka complain haka baydey baka jing krong khajana ya usensar na po Garo Hills. Menjim snem nilayo ya kani ka jo ka complain pad hadin kajing le ya kendu jongi ya minister badan boram ba bantai dor lindo hadian kajing shimkhia jongu ilala ban pensangi no ya kani kajing krong khajana bi an henry mentau snam sajisien kinong rap jongi kila phone changi bat kila pentip ba kadang don kajing krong khajana yo sensar ha ka kerteng jo ka transit pass bat kum joru kajing kentup yaw sensar kum umar klau tingi kwa ban bu ya kajing keli ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHDC lingba ka Forest Department hatu kamtip mo ba yaw sensar la itu kum umar rep ban ngiyo iru lingba ki media lingba ki kot khubor ba ka sarkar kala penpau syai ba yakini ki mar ki bla itu kum ki mar rep on kin laj no na ka jingkrong ka chana te henrei ngiyo ipat ba kai ka bajia Garo Hills kalong ka ka bangimla ban pediang bat nakaliang jong ka Hills Farmer Union i condemn ya kane ka jingle ka jongki i karpat i ka sarkar bat komjuru ya ki bor ke badai pet khamtam ya ka government hapo ka jingyalam ka jong u minister badan buro u menteri badan burom jongi u menteri rang bado u Sri Konrad Sangma ba un pet bat khmi ya kani ka jinge ka ba unong rap ko jongi u ya kando na kaliang jogel somainian i pha i kani ka khubor sha baro kinong rap ka jalla bala dan ki briu ki bashim kabu ban krong khajana yaw sensar haka kerteng ka jong ban penha bi u bode umar klau anong ipi pas ngobha ai kani ka jingtip changi bat ni dei ban pendo pendam ya kani ka jingshim kabu haka jelahi barakawai
U General Secretary Jongka HFU West Garo Hills District u Mr. LK Sangma hadin ba ulayo shibon kajing ujor na ki paranong rep bakadon kajing krong khajana yo sensar daladi ulalum yo sensar jing nong rep bat persang banik di Henry ula sha pendik bat sha yurot hakate ka kerdop jongka tanat forest bat ula sha ada waru ba udai ban sieu ya ka by transit pass kumta na kaliang jong u ula kerpa ka sarkar bakade ban shimkhia halor kani ka jing ka ba unong rep u ya kendo
ko angna misoka taha sawasadu whatsapp khai bata taha wama ba confuse honginga government of Meghalaya de yakom agriculture product nga ini agana nga simli ba dawat tax rainga ni wamang unse wamang ba jaja je jonga ha lekin anga ba anthang ba saljani giban nakle masi jaha aro sing anga ba wiani geta de government de forest product niko agriculture product nga chok ine angna bulangan khushi honga ha aro tax rang raja wa hene sansiasum
Kaseng Reuniam Selection West Khasi Hills kalapandon burom yaki sangut ki missionary jongka ki bala IT laga jongka jing im ban kentiu ya ka bha kamiat bat ya ka roi ka san jongka West Khasi Hills da ka ba penyang yaki durmot sakan mau na ka benta jongki kani ka jing penyang yaki durmot kalong kumshi benta jongka jing rakhe jongka jing dap shi spa snam jongka jing wan yu kejat ki missionary selection hadong mi ngi jongka ri India Hakabaya de bat kane hinden kasngi u provincial jangka province jangka Saint John Paul kabaar Shillong Father Paul Olingkot ulakir khuye kini kimon kibala sakhi yakane kilong u Father Marius Thongniba parish priest jangka pendangrai Father AL Jos Father Anthony Karkongor Father Roland Karkrang Father Sebastian Turkey Father John Soshang Father Pendai Lang Kongklat Father Richard bari brother Quirinus Warkelo Hadu arspa ngot ki samla kilawan bane shimbenta haka centenary youth bala penlong daka selection youth movement jangka West Khasi Hills region haka arpo khandai terik ukala lengkot ar hajar arpo ar habakran haka ni kasngi u provincial ulaya ro eki sangut ki reuniam selection kum u Father Rugero Tunizuzo Father Giovanni Premoli Father George Deside Vani Father Manuel Albizuri but Father Philip Girado kibala Treborba ha West Khasi Hills Shwaya kane u Father Roland Karkrang haka jingkran jong u ula batai lingkot yaka history jongka jingroi jongki kam yalap jongka ni ka seng reuniam haka ne ka dongka thai u Father AL Jos ula ai ka jinghikai shaphanga selection spirituality na gabanta ki samla u Father Anthony Karkongor bar ka kunhon selection youth movement kila pendrung hagi jingmut jing perkhat jongki samla halor ki jinghikai ke ba ai men siem ju Don Bosco Yakane ka jing pendon buram lapen kut no hen kasngi da ka jing penlong ya ka mas pakhut kum ka jing pendon buram yu riu khut Don Bosco Yakni ka mas bakhot la penbentar u economer jong ka province u Father James Ternyang rengkat bat ki wei ki riungot ki lungdo selection.
To be faithful children, you and holy let's celebrate, celebrate together, celebrate with love, this great centenary. Find somebody else now, give them a high five. Let's go!
Ka Don Bosco Youth Center Shillong Mentagasni kala rakhe ka sni burom jung Don Bosco bakhot da ka jinga don lang jung ki samla pule ki bala pendap igi jing pule computer ha ka winter computer camp na Don Bosco Youth Center Shillong. U director jung ka Don Bosco Youth Center u Father Michael Makri ula ai ki kentien pediang sngoba bat batai ru shaphang ka jing trekam jung ka center ka bala ai ki jing hikai ba pher shaki samla. Hakani ka sni la yo ru igi jing ruai na I Odelia bat ki parlok jung I. U provincial jong ka Shillong province u Father Paul O Lingkot u balalong u kongsan hakani ka sni burom jong u Don Bosco bakhot ula ong shaphang ka jing e jong u blay bat u Don Bosco bakhot ba ula IT met pat men sem yala ka jong ka jing em naga banta ki samla hakani ka program la yo ru ka jing pediang sngoba bat jing ai khublay online ya ka captain jong kishipa US Army Reserve ka captain Deshwana Barber. Captain Deshwana kala yo ek nam thei bhabreu jo ka Miss District of Columbia USA hakas nam 8,000 khan reu bat kala long ka baningkong na panang ki shipai jong ka America ban job ya ka jingya khun ki thei bhabreu Miss USA pageant hakas nam 8,000 khan reu ka Captain Deshwana kala ra ek ka burom jongi da ka jingkran ba aiman sim lengba ka video presentation bat kala long ka nong muna na ka banta jongi hakani kasni u Father Provincial u Father Paul O Lingkot ula sami ki certificate chabaro ki samla ki bala pendap ki jing puli computer yaki kentin sngongu la aida u brother Shining Star bat penkut yakani ka jing rakhe ka sni jong u Don Bosco bakhot da ka jing rwai na ka banta u Don Bosco kumshi banta ka jing rakhe ka sni buram u Don Bosco bakhot unong seng ka jingya sulok reunion selection hne ka sngi live hoitri ukalalangkot 8,000 arpoar la pelat ya ka kot kishi spasnam kertiang shaki spasnam balalet jong ki commission selection haki than shate la mi ngi jong kari India dau Archbishop Victor Lingdo harengkat ka jinga don lang provincial ka selection jong Don Bosco Shillong province Father Paul O Lingkot Father John Zoziama, Vice Provincial, Father Pascal Lingdo, Parish Priest ka Cathedral, Father Jimmy Marngar, Father Saji Stephen, Director ka Don Bosco Technical, ki Sister FMA, MHMSC, VSDB, ki Brother, ki Solution Cooperator, ki Past Pupils ka Don Bosco, bat kiway. Yakani ka kot la tho bat penwandor da u Father Joseph Anikuzi Katil SDB kabalalong ka history lengkot syapang ka jingwan yuk gejat bat ki commission jang ki jingya selok reunion selection la samru markawe ka kopi syakinong mi khmat jang ki seng reunion paper bat syaki khon samla badon hakani ka jingya lang balengkot
and from the VSDB sisters, from the solution cooperatives, and it's a short history of the solution presence here from 1922 to 2022. Just small book in Khasi. So this book is meant for all. So it's meant for all. Anybody can go to all the families here in the three dioceses of Chawai, Nongstein, and Shillong. So people will read this. Just
I'm very happy to release this book. May it reach to all people of Northeast.
Amen.
The book is like this: is Sispasnam. Kertiang segi spasnam balalek jongki commission solution hakitain seti lamingi jongki India. Okay. We will invite one representative from the Solution Sisters, from the MSMSC Sisters, and from the VSDB Sisters, from the Solution Cooperatives, and from the past peoples, and so from our young people.
Okay, a very happy peace day to all of us.
Pada kitugi khubor ngila poi syakabakun tar hadu bangin de syambiang khublei shibun.